Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Super excited about this JBL speakers right here that I just got. This is the Charge 4. I just got it because I've been testing out all of the JBL speakers. Pretty much I started out with like the Go, the Clip, and I've upgraded to like the, this is called the Flip right here. Yeah, so anyway, I've been really testing them out because so far, JBL has been one of the best Bluetooth speakers manufacturer that I have ever tested. So anyway, let's go into this Charge 4. I believe it's bigger than all of the ones that I've tested. And there's one special feature about it, which I think is just to charge your phone. that's the reason why it's called Charge. So let's go. Let's open this up here. Oh boy. Voila. A Charge 4. Look at the marketing material right here, huh? How much they spent on this? Beautiful little foam. An accessory box where it has USB-C in here with USB-A. So yeah, and user guides. This is it right here. Whew. This thing's hefty. This thing is hefty. Well, because I just did a video on the Flip 4. Let me just put it side by side so you guys can see this, okay? This right here. Look at this. Look at the comparison. The Charge and the Flip. Oh my gosh. I will do a comparison video, by the way, between the two, but stay tuned for that one. Same little flap that opens up to reveal all of the little nuances here. Obviously, USB-C to charge the speaker itself. There's a mic port, not a mic port, but an auxiliary port. And then this right here is what's so special about it. You can actually use this to charge your phone. So you know how when you're over at the pool and you're sitting there with your phone on Bluetooth playing the music? Well, it's draining the battery, right? And if you don't want that to happen, this is the speaker for you. Because I've had that done before where I'm sitting at the pool and my phone is being drained of batteries. So you can plug it in now, you can charge it. One thing I did notice is that this base right here, hefty, like it's literally a landing. They made a cylinder speaker, but they made a little thing right here so that it can stand. Yeah. And obviously, just like the Flip, you can do this if you want to. So it's pretty much the Flip. Yeah. All the buttons is actually integrated into here now. The one thing that I noticed about this, though, is that it's definitely the same as the Flip 5, the design on it. Because this little ring right here actually glows. So let me just show you that in a second, okay? So let's go ahead and turn it on. Do a little sound test real quick. All right, so power button, Bluetooth. It's looking for Bluetooth to connect. So let's go ahead and connect that real quick. There we have it. The guitar should be, there we go. I'm just gonna point out real quick before I start playing. If you do the party boost, which is what it's called, but I think on the 4, it's not called party boost. I think it's called like JBL Connect or something like that, where you can link multiple speakers together. So this is the button right here. If you press that, all right, watch this. If you press that, you see how that glows right there? The little ring glows. You can turn it off. So that's pretty neat that they actually built that in so that you know that, hey, it's trying to connect to other speaker or what speakers connect to what. Very nice feature right there. Obviously, all the JBL Bluetooth speakers does this right here where the mesh is all around. That's the whole design that they have going right there. And they integrated the button right into the mesh. That's the special thing about this right here, okay? There's not a lot of speakers out there that does this where these are physical buttons right here. You hear it? They're physical buttons that's all on the mesh. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do halfway, all right, on my volume. See how it sounds first, and then I'm gonna go full blast afterwards, okay? So put on some headphones, cover your ears if you want to, but I'm gonna play a little song that I'm always using to test these out. It's gonna start out really slow, and then the bass is gonna boost so that I can test the speaker's bass, okay? Okay, here we go. by the way, halfway volume. Okay, so already I can tell halfway volume is already like as loud as the JBL Flip 4 over there, full volume. Yeah, comparison. Okay, obviously much bigger speakers. Halfway volume is as loud as full blast on that Flip 4 right there. Yeah, so let's go full blast. I'm afraid here because I'm glad no one's home. All right, here we go, full blast. This thing is so loud, so loud. Oh my gosh. Woo. Wow. I mean, yeah, it's hefty. It's heavy, guys. Okay, but this is the motherload of all speakers, in my opinion. I can't imagine it being even louder. They even have a bigger one on by the way. I think it's called Extreme or something like that. I'm gonna have to try that out now, just because. Wow. Okay. So sound quality sounds really good. Bass. I noticed JBL. This one thing about every JBL speakers that I have used is that they do control the bass quite a bit. They don't just let it blast. You know, they do control it. Like you can tell, this song that I'm using right here, it's one of those songs where the bass just go wild on that one peak. And every single JBL speakers that I've tested have controlled that bass quite a bit. So it's just my opinion, but I can tell you that this thing is well worth the money. I say that about every single JBL speakers actually. Quality of the speakers are so good that they definitely make you feel like you are getting your money's worth. Yeah, when I looked at this, I was thinking to myself, wow, that's a lot of cash for, you know, a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker. But after I get it, I look at the quality. I mean, look at this nice little rubbery thing down here that they're doing, the battery indicator, which, you know, if you look at that, you know, it tells you how much battery has left down there. The little rubber that goes up on top here, look at this. It's kind of transparent. You can see it through here. You see that? It's kind of transparent. Little things like that. It's just, this is no exception. I mean, every JBL speakers that I have tested so far has been phenomenal. And this is, it's just another one of those. Definitely a lot louder than the Flip, which is like the next grade down of JBL. And I can't believe it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. That's that's the charge right there. One special thing about it is you can charge your phone. That's really the use case here. And also, to me, the biggest feature on this is how loud it is. It's definitely a lot louder. By the way, speaking of loud, the speakers is like right in front right here. I was sitting behind it and it was loud. If you turn it towards you, it'll be a lot louder. I don't think you can handle it just sitting next to you like this. Or your neighbor will be calling the cops for sure. Anyway, that's it for me right there, guys. That's the JBL Charge 4, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.